Thank you, Daniel, for inviting me to speak. It's really interesting listening to the presentations from the guys around the world. It's great to see this same subject coming from different areas of the world. It's really interesting. So my name is Charlie Nicklin. I am the Chief Executive of the Institution of Agricultural Engineers. So I've just got a few slides to explain what the institution is and a bit about the subject. So my background is I've had 24 years in a major manufacturer here in the UK, JCB, who I'm sure some of you will know. So I've been in a variety of engineering roles through my career with them. And then I joined the Institute as CEO on the 1st of October. I've been a member of the institution for about 27 years, so quite a long time now, and I've got a lot out of it in my career. So what I was going to run through is just what ag engineering is, because there's different views and it's such a big subject. Who are the IAgrE? Why join? A little bit about membership and registration, professionalism, and then some questions if you have any at the end. So what is agricultural engineering? Well, it is very much the appliance of science and engineering and technology into the agricultural and food industries. Obviously, agriculture's prime output is food. So it's agri-food. Our interests include tractors and machinery, precision farming, soil and water, environmental, animal production, horticulture, food, all sorts of things, forestry, amenity projects. So a really diverse subject. And agricultural engineers have made a massive impact on food production around the globe, especially with mechanisation and automation and all the things that we've been discussing today. Certainly in the UK and Europe, it's a very old profession. These are some of the sort of old companies that started life in and around Europe, UK, North America. Very old companies. Some of them are still in business today. But 21st century agricultural engineering is no different. It's still very much understanding how the machinery and the technology and the science integrates with the land, the plants, the animals, in order to produce food. So as we've seen today, there are many chemists and biologists and environmentalists working in agricultural engineering. It's not necessarily just people who are engineer trained, very broad spectrum of people. It's also a very broad subject. It cuts across civil engineering, which is, buildings, mechanical engineering, electrical, chemical engineering, all sorts of disciplines. It's not just about, traditional machinery that we know and love, tractors and things like that. It's about all the different parts that go together to make food production. So who are the IAgrE? Well, we are basically a professional membership organisation, and inside the IAgrE we have grades to suit everybody involved in the science and technology that goes into these land-based industries. So lots of information on our website if you want to look at that after the event today. We're very much an organisation that brings together everybody from students starting out in their careers right through to academics and practitioners and industry, very much sharing knowledge and promoting professionalism and advancing the application of technology in the agricultural and food production sector. We're a registered charity here in the UK because we work towards public benefit in terms of improving food production. We're a professional engineering institution, so there's quite a few of those around the world. And we're accredited by the Engineering Council here in the UK and the Society of the Environment to award registration to professional engineers. So what does the IAgrE do? Well, as I said, we're a licensed body, so we award professional registration, so post nominals after your names, things like chartered engineer and that sort of stuff. We also accredit and approve academic courses and industry training. We publish Landwards, which is our in-house magazine, and Biosystems, which I'll talk to you in the next couple of slides. We also run an annual conference, and we have plenty of seminars and lectures through the year, which are, most of them at the moment are online lectures, and we'll continue to do that in the future, which makes access to people around the world really easy. We also offer prizes and awards, working with a trust here in the UK, Douglas Bomford Trust. And we're very much a voice for the profession that you guys are working in. And we do have the ear of governments and get involved in all sorts of international projects. So why join? IAgrE, the institution, can be very much a constant in your professional life. So I say many people join as students and they'll stay with the IAgrE throughout their careers. Even if their jobs and careers do change, they tend to stay with the institution. We can provide valuable support in between jobs and during your jobs. We're a valuable source of knowledge and experience and understanding in the agricultural and food and land-based sectors. The membership gives you access to lots of like-minded people working in our industry. So it is a large membership club, so we can put you in touch with different people in different sectors. And also we recognise competence through professional registration. So in terms of what you get for your membership, you get access to Landwards magazine, which I'll talk to you in the next slide, and a discount on Biosystems. Access to local branch and technical group meetings. So today is a technical group, the engineering for food and drinks. So that's a good example. Here in the UK, we have local branches around the country which carry out visits, do seminars and talks. Again, a lot of this stuff is online now, so it's really opened things up. We also provide monthly online lunchtime lectures. So once a month, we'll have a speaker talking on a variety of different subjects through the year. And we've got a full program of those going forwards. We have an annual conference each year. Again, this year we had to do it virtually because of the coronavirus situation. Next year we'll be back to being face-to-face, but I really expect us to do some form of online as well to allow people to join that from around the country and around the world. We do specialist workshops, specialist groups. We can provide career guidance and job opportunities, and really give the opportunity to network with industry professionals. And if you wish to become registered, we can provide you mentors and mentor you through that registration process and make use of our online CPD system to monitor your professional development. So Landwards, this is our in-house journal. It's produced 4 times a year, over 2,000 subscribers. It's available electronically. We welcome articles from all sectors of the industry, and really gives a sort of wide and varied content to our membership. So we do welcome articles from people. We also own a magazine, a subscription magazine called Biosystems, which is the official scientific journal of the European Institute of Agricultural Engineers. So this is a monthly publication, and it's very much a leading journal in the industry. Very, very high quality papers, 12 publications a year. It also has generally a special feature each year with an extra magazine. So we've got quite a high site score and impact there. So it is very much a leading journal. And being a member of the IAgrE allows you a discount to that. So that magazine publishes research in engineering and the physical sciences that represent the understanding and modelling and performance of biological systems used in the environment and agriculture. Okay, professional registration. So obviously, you know, when you leave university, you've got academic qualifications. As you go out into the workplace, you can gain a professional qualification. So in our sector, we have engineering technicians, incorporated engineers, chartered engineers, and through the Society of Environment for people working in environmental areas, we're now offering a chartered environmentalist, and very soon we'll be offering an environmental practitioner level as well, which is a similar level to the incorporated engineer. So professional registration, it very much improves people's career prospects and employability. Research shows that people do earn more money when they are professionally registered. It demonstrates that the people have got, the person has a professional attitude, and that's very much valued by employers and customers. It's very much a status thing. It does lead to higher self-esteem, it's enhanced status, and it's internationally recognised as a competence and commitment to the industry. It's third-party assessed by reputable peers, so it's very much an independent assessment of the person's competence. And we hope that it gives you greater influence within your own organisation and industry. And certainly we see in Europe that a lot of top employees do expect this now. People want to see that on people's CV. So what next? Well, for people studying ag engineering, we do offer free membership for students. And then hopefully when they go out into the professional world, we hope to keep them in the membership so they can get the most of IAgrE. We have free alerts and e-news, which goes out fortnightly. You can attend IAgrE meetings and events, as I said, many of them online. And we hope that people will continue with IAgrE as the professional institution of their choice. And then we urge people to prepare for professional registration and use our processes. And we can sign you up with a mentor to support career development. And of course, make sure that we have your contact details so we can keep you up to date. And that's really it, really. So happy to take any questions if people want to know more about it. There is a lot of information on our website, so please feel free to have a look at that.